This is fantastic and amazing. Yeah. See this only can make from one person. Chef Ricardo cooking, nobody else. All right, yeah man, look at that. Everything inside of it, everything is just natural ingredients. But look at this one now. All right, put this aside. You see, this is lemon, ginger, and rosemary. This one is my favorite one, which I normally make all the time. If you watch my program, you will notice that. I'm going to put some baking soda inside of it to remove any pesticide or anything to harm you. All right? Yeah, man. See that? Lemon, rosemary, and some fresh ginger. These are effective recipe, guys, for the immune system. All right. Let's get back this on. All right. Yeah. Now we're going to put 1 cup of hot water. All right. Yeah. 1 cup of hot water. Now we're going to wash off our ingredients. Yeah, we're gonna wash off the ingredients then. And yeah man, that's what we're going to be using. All right. Here's his him. Oh, go on, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Good God's plan. Thank you so much. Every blog. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. All right. Here it is. Rosemary. Get that into the water. Everybody know one of my favorite this. Yeah. CM, big up yourself. I don't know the thing go. Alright. Yeah man, look at that. So you have to make sure you wash off the rosemary really good. You know what I mean? And the rosemary stem them may have a little bits of dirt on them. Just like that. Bedtime tea, this guys. All right. Look at that. Bedtime tea. Just like that. All right. Beautiful. Stick like glue. We're gonna turn off the cooker because we don't want it to boil. Here it is, some slices of lemon. With all the seeds. Don't be shy. keep it real and organic. Yeah. I'm gonna get a piece of a ginger. Yeah. Piece of ginger. We're gonna grate this little piece of a ginger right here. Extra delicious. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah. So that's the ginger. That's the ginger right there. Alright, yeah man. So you see, Jet, big up yourself. You don't know the thing already. Big up yourself every time. Yeah. That, I just put a little bit more heat on it. And what we're gonna do, drop a few of our secret cloves. You see them there? Those are stuff that you must have in your house for a rainy day. Yeah. Turn off the cooker now, because I get like it when I have a boil. But we don't want it to boil, we just want it to get hot. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm giving a tool-free recipe tonight. And now, I see nobody, I say, you know what, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for inspiring me, you know, because I didn't know that this couldn't happen at home. Alright. Sure, and thank you so much. Big up yourself. Alright, see, look at that. Alright. This is just rosemary, ginger, and some cloves inside of it. But you see, this is for the rainy season, for the winter season, for the cold time. Now, if you're in a hot country still, you can drink the same way because it will help you with the inflammation inside of your stomach and help to clean up your liver and detoxing up the body, because you got the ginger and you got lemon inside of it, because lemon is a key, you know what I mean, for the body. Very, very good for the immune system. The lemon. Got cloves. Cloves are #1 spice. Yeah, spice been using for before. Most of us who right here watching the program, spice been on the earth. That cloves is on the earth before every one of us, because some of us we probably now we're 40 and now we're 30s. So those things is using from generation to generation. And now we're probably up on the 5th generation, so you must know. Because just imagine the first set of people who was on the planet. They were using lemon and all them things. And we're still using lemon after so many centuries, to show you how effective these things are. And these rosemary and cloves been using over roughly about 3 centuries. And now we're in 5th centuries right now. So if I show you how long these things have been using, and we're still using them today. But a lot of people don't use them. You understand? Hello, Chef. This is more effective than pure onion with ginger tea. No, onion tea is good. Jen, big up yourself. Ginger tea and onion tea is very good. Onion is good for bacteria in your gut and lots of things in your side of your stomach. They're all good. Every one of them is good. They play a role. Everything play a role. Alright? Yeah, man. So we just make this a simmer down for a little bit. And then we're gonna pour it off and drink this. Yeah. But they all do play a role, to be honest with you. All of them. Yeah. Every one of these natural ingredients play a role in something in this immune system. Yeah. So just to let you know that, let's keep drink them. Don't give up on these natural stuff. All right. Sure, if you don't have fresh rosemary, can you use the dry one? Yeah, you can use the dry one if it is organic. You don't want to use the one that we have whole heap preservative, because you're not preserving your body for 2 more centuries. Craig, Happy New Year, man. Nice to see you coming on the show. You know it go already. Thank you so much for being supportive and, you know, sharing the love. Big up Jen every time. Jen, how things going on? Because you're not keeping up there to Chef Ricardo. Alright. Yeah, man. Good vibes. So you see how that look? Yeah, so we want to just turn off the cooker. See the next part of the show. Yeah. Alright. Alright, lovely. So you can see it for yourself. Okay, I know, Jen, man. I know so something is going on one time I'm not seeing you, you know, but you have to keep us updated because, you know what I mean, we have to keep our subscribers them all the time up to date. All right. Sorry, guys, I don't want to cut you now, but you don't know me. I have to talk about the book. All right, there's a massive big 50, big 50% off right now at the moment. Okay, now a lot of people are saying they still doesn't see the book. Yes, the book is on Amazon, guys. Go over and get yourself a copy and support the progress. And remember, Esther Delicious also have a book. Check out Esther Delicious book. I'm going to get mine. So yeah, a good vibes. Please go over and support our YouTube channel and them thing there. We have Chef Art, Erica blog, and also you can check out the YouTube channel. Now remember, the book is on Amazon because a lot of people, I saw the message them, we can't get your book, Chef Ricardo. Yeah, it's on Amazon. From Poverty to Purpose. You can't miss it, the red one. Yeah, look at it. Red book. You can't miss it, guys. You can't miss that, the book there. Alright, big up yourself. Thank you so much for your support. Okay. Let's pour off the miracle tea. Tonight is bedtime tea tonight. You know, we have to do bedtime tea. Bedtime tea is a must. Okay. So we're gonna pour it off. Just like this. Alright, people. Then what I love to do, I like to just, yeah, man, squeeze out the lemon inside of it. Because you see this right here, medicine with the skin. Alright? Yeah. That is a medicine, Chef Ricardo. Alright. We've been doing this over the last, yeah, since we've been drinking this tea over the last 9 months. So it's a good look. Very, very good look. All right. Here it is. I'm using pure raw honey. I get a bottle back today. This is one honey where I use. There's no sugar in this. Alright? No sugar at all. This is good for the immune system. Pure honey. Then we put 2 slices of your favorite inside of it. Wow. Look at that, guys. That is a miracle drink from Chef Ricardo today. Alright? Yeah, man. That's the miracle drink where lots of people are asking for. See there? What more do you need? Nothing else. Okay? So please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also share the love to others. Alright? Good vibes, people.